been our pleasure to work with STEPS Rehabilitation on this project, where we've installed a stainless steel hydrotherapy pool, ceiling track hoists, and we've supplied beds, mattresses and many other moving and handling items. It's been an inspiration to see their clarity of vision and their aim to become the centre of excellence in rehabilitation, which they have far exceeded. It's been an extensive project over the last 2 years, liaising with the client and the architect and the contractor. Many of the Innova staff have been involved, from those in the CAD design team, to the hoist installers, to the pool installation and commissioners, and our project managers. STEPS Rehabilitation opted to go for a stainless steel hydrotherapy pool instead of the typical concrete and tile construction due to the significant benefits it provides. These benefits include it being long-lasting and very durable, excellent for infection control, and the seamless installation proved beneficial also. As you can see, the stainless steel pool looks stunning. The mood lighting, which changes colour, and the against the current swim jets. Of course, our pools are bespoke and we can tailor them to suit each specific environment. There's literally hundreds of different options and configurations available.
So the pool, the reason we chose the pool from Innova was the fact that it was stainless steel, much more hygienic, much more stylish, just much more in keeping with the whole facility that we were creating. It just looks amazing.